Ciao a tutti, sono Giusy Trovato e realizzo quadri con la cenere dell'Etna.
Hello everyone, I'm Giusy Trovato and I create paintings with the ashes of Mount Etna. I discovered this passion by chance. When in my terrace with the ash fallen from the volcano, I started to make drawings and I thought I would put them on canvas in some way.
Questo è il mio terrazzo e da qui proprio ho realizzato il primo volto che era il volto di Sant'Agata.
This is my terrace, and here I started to draw the face of Saint Agatha, the patron saint of Catania, and then that of Jesus Christ. Then I continued this passion with other non-religious objects. This is the ash of the volcano. This is Saint Agatha and our cathedral. There is Jesus and Our Lady of Grace. There is the opera of the puppets, a Sicilian horse, a bird, a ballerina. Whatever inspires me.
E l'opera dei pupi, poi il cavallo stile, diciamo, siciliano, un uccellino, vanno, diciamo, in genere un po' su quello che mi ispira io realizzo. Ho provato diverse modi, fin quando che ho
I made many attempts before I managed to fix the ash on the canvas. The curious thing is that the ash must be of a particular thickness, and fortunately, the one that falls on my terrace is perfect for my work.
non, diciamo che passando il dito non cade.
You see, passing your finger, it doesn't fall off, but of course it would be better to protect it with a frame, perhaps with glass. But the ash doesn't come off even if you scratch it. Sometimes, while walking, I happen to see something that inspires me, and then when I get home, I start to draw it.
Allora, qui mi sono, diciamo, immaginata, mi piace questo...
Here I imagine the Sicilian street on a summer day, a sense of serenity. A painting is made more or less quickly depending on the inspiration, while the drying time takes about 5 to 6 days.